Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to create a stool in Revit that looks like this one. Okay, so let's go to Revit, click on File, New, Family, select Metric, Generic Model, click Open. The first thing I want to do is to set the right category. So in this case I select Furniture. Then I save it. So save it. Let's call it, I don't know, stool. Like that. And let's go to one of these views, for example, front. And I want to do it in a such way that I create axis, I draw a sketch on one side, and then I rotate it and I create 3D elements. So in this case, I use a revolve tool. So I select revolve. Let's draw it, I don't know, 500 millimeters. This part can be, let's say, 220. The bottom one can be a little bit smaller. So we can create shape like this. So we need to create the axis line. So this is the second one. So we create this axis. So we are going to rotate it around this axis. And when we go to 3D, you can see that we already have a shape. But let's say I want to create a curve on the edge here. So let's go to edit mode again, go to front, and let's create arc here. So I select, I think, filled arc. So let's say 40, do the same right here. And when we finish it, it looks like that. And now we need to do the last thing to create the material. So let's create a new parameter called material. Let's keep it as instance, change it to material, hit OK. Perfect. Let's just select the element and click here, join it with material and load it into project. So when I paste it, I can assign material to it. So this strange color, but let's say we want to create this. Maybe we will try to do this one. So select it, go to material. Let's create new material called, let's say, fabric gray. And let's try to find this fabric here. Fabric, maybe this one. And let's select use render appearance. Okay, so it has some dots. Okay, let's try to find different one. Gray again. Fabric, perforated. Maybe this one. Yeah, much better. So I think it's really similar. So that's it. I hope you learned something and see you next time.